Simply put, I'm Kelly from Guardian, here to answer your questions about voluntary benefits in terms we can all understand. Our next caller is, hey, Dan.
Hey.
How have you been?
Great, Kelly. Actually, really great. We're expecting again in a few weeks.
Hey, congrats!
Thanks. So last year my wife signed up for Guardian's short-term disability benefits, and we remember reading that we could possibly use those benefits when she was on her maternity leave. So is that a thing? Can we do that?
Very fatherly question, Dan. Simply put, the best way to think about short-term disability insurance is to think of it as insurance for a portion of your income. So anytime there's a qualifying event, your short-term disability can be used to help replace income while you're not able to work.
Wow. That could really come in handy very soon.
The best part is, it can be used when something awesome happens, like maternity leave, or it can be used for the not so awesome, unexpected things happen. Emergencies, like having a gallbladder out.
Did you say gallbladder?
Yeah, gallbladder.
Gallbladder. That's gross.
I know, right? Ugh. But luckily, you've got other things to think about.
You got that right. Oh no. I forgot the wipes.